Justin Baldoni's lawsuits against prominent figures like Blake Lively and Reynolds have garnered significant attention, yet they have not led to substantial changes in the situation. Here are 7 key reasons why. Let's get started. Lively's allegations remain unchanged. Despite Justin Baldoni's legal actions, Blake Lively's allegations of sexual harassment and a retaliatory smear campaign against her remain unchanged. Her team views Baldoni's lawsuit as an attempt to discredit her, and they have dismissed his countersuit as meritless and desperate. The core of Lively's complaint, which includes claims of inappropriate behavior on set and attempts to damage her reputation, continues to be the central issue in the legal battle. Lively's legal team has emphasized that nothing in Baldoni's lawsuit alters the allegations she made against him, and they encourage people to read her complaint in its entirety. This stance indicates that Lively's team is committed to pursuing her original claims, regardless of Baldoni's legal maneuvers. Moreover, Lively's allegations have sparked a broader conversation about workplace harassment and the challenges faced by women in the entertainment industry. Baldoni's lawsuit targets media coverage and defamation. Baldoni's lawsuit against the New York Times and other parties focuses on defamation and other legal issues related to media coverage. He claims that the media's portrayal of the allegations has damaged his reputation and that Lively and her team have contributed to this negative coverage. However, this does not directly address or change the substance of Lively's original allegations against him. The defamation claims are a countermeasure to Lively's initial lawsuit, but do not alter the underlying accusations of misconduct. By targeting media coverage, Baldoni is attempting to shift the narrative and potentially influence public opinion, but this strategy does not resolve the core issues in the case. Baldoni's legal team argues that the media coverage has been unfair and has led to a public perception that is not supported by the facts. They claim that Lively's allegations were sensationalized and that this has caused harm to Baldoni's professional and personal reputation. Legal proceedings continue. The case is set to go to trial in March 2026, with both parties preparing for the legal battle. A pre-trial hearing has been scheduled to address Lively's request for a gag order, which aims to limit pre-trial publicity that could influence potential jurors. The ongoing legal proceedings indicate that the core allegations and counter-allegations remain unresolved until the trial concludes. The trial will provide a formal platform for both sides to present their cases, and it is likely to bring more clarity to the allegations and counter-allegations. As the trial approaches, both sides are engaging in legal maneuvers to strengthen their positions. Lively's team is gathering evidence and preparing witnesses to support her claims, while Baldoni's team is working to discredit her allegations and build a defense against the defamation claims. Public perception and PR strategies. The legal battle is heavily influenced by public perception and PR strategies. Both sides are using media and legal filings to shape public opinion. Lively's team has accused Baldoni's attorney of trying to influence potential jurors by releasing selected documents and communications, which they claim is an attempt to taint the jury pool. This ongoing PR war does not change the underlying legal issues, but affects how the public views the case. Public perception can play a significant role in shaping the narrative around the case, potentially impacting how the media covers it and how the public reacts to developments. The use of PR strategies in this case highlights the importance of managing public image during legal disputes. Both sides are aware that public opinion can influence the legal process indirectly, such as by affecting jury selection or media coverage. Allegations of social media manipulation. Lively alleges that Baldoni's team orchestrated a social media campaign to damage her reputation. She has filed for a deposition related to this claim, accusing a man of being central to turning online sentiment against her during the film's release and promotion. This aspect of the case highlights the complexity of the legal dispute. which extends beyond the initial allegations of misconduct to include claims of a broader smear campaign. The use of social media to influence public opinion is a significant issue in modern legal disputes, as it can impact how allegations are perceived and how they affect a person's reputation. The allegations of social media manipulation add another layer of complexity to the case. Lively's team argues that this campaign was part of a larger effort to discredit her and undermine her allegations against Baldoni. By pursuing this claim, Lively aims to demonstrate that Baldoni's actions went beyond the alleged misconduct on set to include a broader attempt to harm her reputation. No settlement or resolution. Yet, despite the ongoing legal actions, there has been no resolution or settlement in the case. Legal experts speculate that over 90% of civil cases settle before trial, but the intense nature of this dispute suggests it may proceed to trial. The trial will likely bring more clarity to the allegations and counter-allegations, but until then, the legal status quo remains unchanged. The lack of a settlement indicates that both sides are committed to their positions and are unwilling to compromise at this stage. The absence of a settlement highlights the deep divisions between the parties and the seriousness with which they are approaching the case. Both Lively and Baldoni appear to be committed to seeing the case through to its conclusion, which could involve a lengthy and costly trial. The fact that no resolution has been reached yet suggests that the parties are far apart in their negotiations, if any have occurred. Number 1. Trial date set for March 2026. A trial date has been set for March 9th, 2026, by Judge Louis J. Lyman in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York. This marks a significant milestone in the legal battle, as both sides will present their cases in court. The trial will provide a formal platform for addressing the allegations and counter-allegations, potentially leading to a resolution or further legal proceedings. Until the trial concludes, the core issues in the case remain unresolved. The trial will be a critical moment in the case, as it will allow both sides to present evidence and testimony to support their claims. The court will hear from witnesses, review documents, and consider legal arguments before making a decision. The trial date provides a clear timeline for the resolution of the case, although it is possible that appeals or further legal actions could extend the process beyond the initial trial. The setting of a trial date underscores that the legal system is moving forward with the case, and a resolution will be forthcoming, either through a verdict or subsequent legal developments. In conclusion, Justin Baldoni's lawsuits have not led to significant changes due to ongoing legal complexities, mutual allegations, and the slow pace of the legal system. As the situation continues to unfold, it remains to be seen how these disputes will ultimately be resolved. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.